Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing well. So we are back again with the topic of skill sets and tools. Now why we are making this video about the skill sets and tools? The very first thing is that we all know that this is a lockdown phase going on, and there are lot many things are available like on the internet, and what I can say, the materials are available by which we can learn, we can gain something very crucial, very important thing as far as our future goals are concerned. There are many students, final year students or even working professionals who can upskill themselves with respect to the market needs, or like whatever they want to achieve or whatever want to, they have to earn those skills. So it's a golden opportunity for all of us. So this is what a video is all about. And the second important thing is that due to this availability, there are certain competitive things which will be created after this lockdown phase to all people, like to the students who are seeking for any opportunity, who are looking for any opportunity, and as well as for the professional people, like who are already who have already gained some experience, but they are trying to get into something better thing. Now the first question is how you can increase your skills. So when these questions comes, the very first important thing is certification, no doubt. Certification is there, and second thing, we can also go for any kind of institution trainings are there, programs are there, webinars are there. But in this also there are certain positive things and certain I won't say negative, but yeah, certain, there is a very good side and there is some better side and good side. I would like to tell you about some better side, how you have to increase your skill in a very better, in a very efficient manner. So yeah, you can go for certification, we can go for hands-on project, we can learn any skill via YouTube or Google or via some training institute. But one thing I would like to highlight is that, see guys, the people who, like, let's say I have learned a skill, okay, so it is very important for me, if I am highlighting that skill in my resume, in my CV, then only it will give a positive response, okay, for me. Like let's say I have done a Python, I am aware about Python, I can create a Python programming which I have learned from YouTube or by Google, okay. But if I am not mentioning that in my CV, that won't help me, okay. So when you are trying to gaining some experience regarding the tools or any kind of skills, try to enroll into any kind of certifications, okay. This is how certifications play a very vital role. It support your skills rather than just reflecting your skills, it supports your skills. So this is how certifications and some institution training programs really help. Now as I said, like the importance of certification is certifications builds up your knowledge, it acts as a positive point in CV, and it also highlights our profile. But there are a lot of certifications are available on internet nowadays. So the negative point is that I have seen many people, like they are just running behind the certifications. In certification also, guys, there are certain filtration, there are certain criteria, like certain certifications which are available on internet today, they will just provide you a study material, there will be a certain few two three kind of quiz sessions, and that's it. No man, this is not just enough. If you want to be there in today's industry, you have to learn some practical experience, practical knowledge. So my suggestion to all of you is that enroll into that certification programs, that training programs which provided you some hand of experience or a guided project kind of stuffs, okay. Because see guys, nowadays in this pandemic, there are n number of people who are already completing their certification, like every day, every day they are coming with certain new kind of certification and stuffs kind of thing, okay. So for you, what is important for you as well as for industry, because industry also know this thing, that in this lockdown there are many institutions, there are many training programs which have been allotted free, okay, to students or to working professionals. So this is the important thing, that you have to gain practical knowledge, a hands-on experience, so that you can showcase that okay, you stand somewhere better place than the competition. So what kind of certification you should go for? As I told you, you need to go on those certification that doesn't give you just theory knowledge, but also give you some hands-on experience. Okay, and it should be focused on your practical implementation. Like let's say I know about Tableau as a software. Okay, now Tableau, this Power BI or Microsoft Excel. Okay, now there are certain courses I have seen. I wouldn't like to mention those courses, but those are just just giving you just basic information. Okay, that Excel is capable of this, and this, and that's it. There are certain quiz and you are done with the certification. Same thing goes with if you go for ticketing tool like Jira is there, and BMC Remedy is there. Okay, yeah. So this is the main thing. If you are going for any kind of certification, always look if they are asking you for guided project kind of stuffs or not, so that you can focus on your execution skill, guys. So what can you learn basically, like apart from certification, apart from gaining the theory knowledge? You can learn various tools that support your certification title. Like let's say if I am doing certification for manual testing or software testing, I can go for Jira, I can go for certain automation tools. Microsoft Office is a very basic, you have to do, you must be aware about Microsoft Office tools. Certain ticketing tools like BMC Remedy is there, Jira is there, and analytical tools, no doubt, Excel, Microsoft Excel. Then you have Power BI, then you have another one, Tableau is there. So you have to try to gain some practical experience about all these kind of stuffs. Now talking about the platform, see guys, as I told you, there are a lot of platforms which are available in market. Even LinkedIn Learning is good, but I would like to say that LinkedIn Learning is good, but it doesn't give you any live project kind of thing. Okay, so as far as my knowledge and my experience, I would suggest you to go for Coursera or similar kind of certification platform which provided you some guided project kind of implementation work, which have some hands of experience kind of facility available for students and for working professionals. And Coursera is a very easy to grasp. See, you can go either for paid courses, or you can also go for that financial aid scheme that is also almost approved for everyone by Coursera. So as per that, you can go for this. See, why I am saying about Coursera, I am not saying that others are not effective. They are effective, but when we learn something, it's really very important for us to implement that knowledge into our execution area. Okay, because we all know, like, today's environment is all about execution. If there is no execution, there is nothing. You cannot survive in any industry nowadays. Okay, just because of your practical, just because of your potential knowledge. Okay, your what we can say, theoretical knowledge, you have to sound very practical. So if you have all these experience, if you have done these projects, that will really help you. And apart from that, that will also make you stand apart from your competition. Because see, when you will be going for an interview, when you will be putting your resume for screening purpose, they will see that okay, that most of the people have certification, but then what best you have gained from that certification? You can say that okay, apart from this in this certification, I had these features which help me to upgrade my skills. Okay, in which your guided project, your live project, your implementation skills will really help you. So my suggestion to all of you is that you can you utilize your time in a very effective manner, and go for that certification, go for that training programs which give you some hands-on experience. Okay, which let you focus on your implementation work, guys. So yeah, this was all about skill sets. What are the importance of skill set, and as far as the competitions are concerned, because this lockdown is going on, and we all know like many institutions have provided their courses, they're free of cost. So make sure that those contain your practical execution part as well. So this was the main intention for all of you, and that's all for the session. Hope you guys are good. Take care. Start learning by yourself, and I have also completed a lot of certifications which have involved live guided project stuffs. So I will be sharing you more about this, and if you want any video about any topic related to placements or engineering stuffs, just drop a comment in the comment box. Thank you and have a great time ahead.